are either walking with Jesus or you are walking against him. This life, there is no in between. You are either walking with Jesus or the things you're doing is working against him. Or the things you're doing is working for him. That's what Jesus is saying. Say, I place you either in one of these baskets, against me or you are with me. Said, how I know those that are with me is that you are gathering with me. How I know those that are not with me is that you are scattering that which I gathered abroad. There is only one business of life, and that business is the business of soul winning. There are only two entities competing against each other for the souls of men, Jesus and Satan, signifying light and darkness, good and evil. There are only two eternal destinations, heaven and hell. Which one are you populating? Are you populating heaven or are you populating hell by your character,